The health department is acknowledging a number of COVID milestones in Hamilton County this week. Our Mary Frances Hoots has been looking into all of the new developments, and she joins us right now in the studio with the state of the virus in the area. Mary Frances.
Cindy, since the virus hit, the county has given out 200,000 doses of the COVID vaccine and administered 140,000 PCR tests. 1,000 people have died, but deaths are going down. The Hamilton County Health Department continues the fight against COVID. As of February 2nd, they have given out 200,000 doses of the vaccine. That number does not represent other organizations who also give them out.
I think that's a very impressive number for the health department to have given out. I think they've really, by and large, done a very good job, both with outreach, vaccine delivery.
Dr. Jensen Hyde, an MD at Erlanger, says Hamilton County's vaccination rate at 60% is low compared to the rest of the population. As far as the prevalence of the virus in our community, Dr. Hyde says you are less likely to get severely sick if you get Omicron compared to Delta. But the number of Omicron cases is much higher than any wave we've seen in Hamilton County.
Omicron has had yet its own flavor, so to speak. So the magnitude of the number of cases we've seen of Omicron is it's hard to even wrap your head around.
Omicron is also the first wave where we've had such wide access to at-home testing. The 7-day average per 100,000 cases in the county is at 221. During the Alpha wave, it peaked at 135.
We've now almost doubled our prior peaks in reported cases.
Hamilton County has reported 1,000 deaths since COVID began. Those numbers are going down in this wave.
I think there's some promising evidence that at least this wave is hopefully starting to turn here. It has turned already in other parts of the country, but we started our uptick later than they did.
The health department operates a COVID hotline, which serves as a resource to answer questions you may have about the virus. That number is 423-209-8383. Cindy.